Earth's core leaves scientists stumped as it's discovered in a rare superionic state. Scientists have been left stunned by a staggering discovery after a study suggests that Earth's core is in an ultra-rare, quote-unquote, superionic state. This means that the inner core of our blue planet has a strange composition of elements that make it both solid and liquid at the very same time. The core is 1,220 kilometers or 760 miles a ball buried deep beneath the Earth's crust. It was thought that the inner core was solid and made up mostly of iron, providing a magnetic field that shields our Earth from solar radiation by giving us our magnetosphere. But now new research suggests that a mixture of hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon make it neither solid nor liquid. It's called a superionized state. It's another state of matter like a solid, liquid, or gas, but with particular differences. The study by researchers from Institute of Geochemistry at the Chinese Academy of Sciences, IGCAS, was published in the journal Nature magazine. The research paper reads, "We find that hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon and a hexagonal close-packed iron transform to a superionic state under the inner core conditions, showing high diffusion coefficients like a liquid." Now, the team worked this out by using computer simulations to investigate how seismic waves could travel through certain combination of elements, and by measuring these enormous vibrations of the earthquakes, scientists are able to reconstruct the process going on deep inside our planet. They also involved quantum mechanics theory to help explain how atoms and particles react to the microscopic level. They were able to create simulations that copied the core's intense levels of pressure and also high temperatures, and they found that iron atoms were solid, but carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen molecules produced a liquid-like element. So this means the alloys changed into a superionic state. Yu He from the Chinese Academy of Science, who led the research, said it's quite abnormal. The solidification of iron at the inner core boundary does not change the mobility of these light elements, and the convection of light elements is continuous in the inner core. So now the findings may completely change our understanding of processes that involve the core of our Earth. The authors said that these include earthquakes, volcanism, and the Earth's magnetic field. The discovery also builds on earlier studies which found that the Earth's core is made up of more than just iron. Jessica Irving, a seismologist at the University of Bristol in the UK, said the discovery unveiled a whole new hidden world. So it's not just iron. What else is there? But it's agreed that we still know little about the Earth's inner core, which supposedly charges and stabilizes our magnetic field, a geological force field that protects us from harmful solar and cosmic radiation. Some theories say the inner core actually rotates at the same speed as the rest of our planet. But another theory says the rate of inner core rotation is something that varies over time. Miss Irving said, "It's so hard to do these studies. Every scrap of data becomes valuable, and unfortunately there just aren't very many scraps of data." This is by Express UK. Jacob Paul, please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.